In the field of aircraft manufacturing, safety is jointly ensured by dual accuracy. The first is the thickness of the metal substrate that bears stress. The second is the thickness of the surface coating that provides special properties, such as stealth, anti-corrosion, and thermal barrier coatings. Traditional equipment often struggles to penetrate coatings, failing to measure the true thickness of the substrate, which leaves potential risks. Therefore, a professional solution is needed to achieve full dimensional thickness control from the core load-bearing structure to the functional surface coatings. The PMT-360 Ultrasonic Thickness Gauge helps you perfectly solve this problem.